Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raksha. So today we are going to try the old recipe with a modern trend. So I'm going to make Nuchinunde, which is very special in Karnataka, and I'm giving a modern touch with some veggies, that is carrot and beetroot has been added for some batch. So I was not sure about adding beetroot and carrot because that leaves water. So I just planned myself to make one batch with the greens. So here I have taken dill leaves, coriander, and some ginger. So basically, you don't add chili to this, but I wanted some spice to be there. So I have added chilies. Nuchinunde is one of the best healthy snack for weight loss. So it is rich in protein. So since it is made of toor dal and chana dal, which is rich in plant-based protein, helps you to stay full for longer and reduce cravings. It is low in calories and also oil free. Since it's steamed, not fried, it's light on calories and perfect for guilt free snacking. Rich in fiber, lentils and herbs improve digestion, boost metabolism, and also keep you fuller for longer. Healthy and balanced snack. It provides protein, fiber, essential vitamins, a perfect combination for weight loss. No maida or preservatives, completely homemade with natural ingredients. So if you're looking how to add in your weight loss diet, so have it in a evening snack or light dinner. Pair it with a coconut chutney or green chutney would be great. And also you can just pair it with some ghee. Enjoy with a bowl of vegetable soup. So now coming back to our recipe, we can see that the first batch of only with the dill leaves and all the greens we made it ready, and also with the beetroot. So make sure to remove the water. There can be chances of breakages while steaming. So I started steaming with a bit of oil in the vessel. Initially, I thought I would keep all the sets, like three sets for me to taste. But however, later I realized that if the beetroot thing breaks or leaves water, the color changes for the other two. So what it did was I just boiled the dal one and the carrot one together. So, in case if you feel that any veggies or anything else will suit with the combination, let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure to try this next time when I'm making. So, I got this steamer initially from Amazon. So, I use this occasionally, but it's very helpful though. It steams very quickly. In case if you want to link to this vessel, you let me know in the comment section. I will definitely share the link. So my first batch of dumplings are ready now, and this is the carrot one and the greens one. So now I'm going to steam only the beetroot ones. So I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm trying. I steamed it around 10 to 12 minutes, so that was ready almost. And surprisingly, this came out very well, and no breakages and no cracks at all. And make sure to try this recipe. Thank you for being with me this long. Consider like, share and subscribing the channel so that you can see more food content. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.